What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, Mama. Here you go. Go ahead, Mama. Mama's trying to get little babies, but she's afraid of me. Mama's feeding him. Clue. Letting the dogs run around a little bit. Now, I'm really bummed that I have to go to work today. Won't be able to vlog as much, but I will be able to download some stuff onto my phone, which I should probably delete some stuff off of my phone now. So, all right, gonna play some beer golf. Beer golf. Clue, come here. No, Clue, get out of here. Clue, come here. Good girl.
Par 3?
I don't know.
I swear to God, Clue.
She's like, no, don't hit it.
No way. Umbrella.
Go for it. Ryan, come here. Ryan.
Oh my God, both of you.
Going to get a sandwich now. Hey, baby girl. Come here. Come on. I think I'm going to vlog on the way over there. Shit. It's like perfect weather out right now. I hate this shirt. Look what I caught the puppies doing. So I just brushed Ryan, and the amount of fur I just got off her was absolutely fucking ridiculous. It just came for days and days and days. The poor thing must have been dying of heat exhaustion. Oh my God. It's all Ryan fur. It's all over the floor over here too. Just ridiculous. What do you think, Clue? And all clean. Thank God. I'm gonna go allergy freaking central in here. Allergy City. Oh baby. Oh goodness, Daddy talking to you.